We've been told HEPA air cleaning unit could not be used in classrooms as they would interfere with proper functioning of the HVAC. Any truth to this? Joey?
There are special types of buildings called displacement ventilation where there might be truth to that. There are, for isolation rooms in hospitals, there might be some truth. But the vast majority, in every single school I've seen, it uses what's called dilution ventilation, where it just mixes the air in the room. So there is no basis to actually say that. That's not true. That for almost every single building in every school I've seen, you can put in a HEPA filter in the room and it won't affect anything negatively. It will only help clean the air.
Great. I hope
And
our
I'll just add to that that's kind of something that I think a lot of people have been told across the country. And that, you know, we had that similar kind of pushback from school boards, in some areas. And, you know, I think the Edmonton Public School Board, that was a concern that was brought up because of, some advice that was given. And they ended up putting HEPA filters in every classroom, and it hasn't been a problem. And in Ontario, similarly, they have done that too. So I think it's just kind of, kind of information that comes from different places, but I have never encountered it actually being a problem.